M3.
M3, yeah, I saw. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing?
Thank you so much.
Let's see. This
It's
is
a-
M2.
M3.
M3, yeah, I saw. Sorry, M3. I fixed the same model number 3 days back. 3113.
You know what time for tomorrow? Because I have a test, that's why.
What time?
In the morning at 9:30.
Oh, it's hard. Sure, man. Thank you. I'll give you a text.
Okay, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Have a good day, ma'am. Bye bye. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Good, thank you.
How did you rate your exam?
Okay. It was okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so
Check them.
much.
Check them out.
Oh yeah. Better.
Was looking good?
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.